What is up, guys, and welcome back to another video. In this one we're going to be reviewing another motor on the Kayak. This one is the Newport Vessels 55-pound thrust, and I got her on the Nucanoe Frontier 12. I'm down here on the Ohio River. Now this one's obviously an electric motor. Probably not going to be as fast as that last one I did, which was the gas motor. But yeah, we're going to get her launched and see how she does.
So what's cool about that, the thing extends. Well, there's the first speed. Mind you, we're going to be in a lot of current too. So that's one. Alright, so that's the first speed. Okay, so that's two. Notice a little bit of a difference. There's three. Starting to pick up. Moving pretty good now. It's four. Moving all right. I believe there's one more speed. The fifth one really kicks. Tell you what, we are freaking moving. Moving pretty damn good. I'm gonna have to come out here and get a speed. I'm definitely gonna have to get a speed on this and see how this is compared to the gas motor, because like, we are moving. It almost feels like we're moving faster than the gas one. I doubt it though. That would be insane. We're going with the current now. So, I mean, now we're moving pretty good, for sure. Nah, I mean, I would definitely say we're not going as fast as the gas, but closer than I thought we would. The thing hauls ass though for an electric trolling motor. I'd say this is faster than my XI3 by Motor Guide for sure. So what I could use this for is I could motor way upriver and then float back down and just fish it all. Probably what I'm gonna start doing. Turns on a dime. Definitely moves slower going against the current, which is, you know, to be expected. Doing all right. Let's try the reverse. There we go. Took a while. Took a while because we were still moving forward. Flies in reverse too. Look at this. Needs to be a little lower, I think, though. That last one, man. That last gear. It's pretty crazy. It goes from like moving okay to just I'm taking off. I'm digging it. First time I've had this on the Kayak. I've had it on the John boat before. First time I've tried it on the Kayak though, and I'm digging it. Well, this thing's pretty sweet. I know how fast I was going. Nice. Got some delicious DQ.
Tell you what, she did pretty good. But yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys think. Let me know if you have any experience with this trolling motor or if there's some better options out there. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please smash the subscribe button, hit the like button. I'll see you next time.